Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius. For your daily energy, Sagittarius, we are picking few cards. For your relationship, we'll be picking few more cards from another deck, guys, to give us more clarity about your situation. So these cards for your daily energies that may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, your relationship, guys. Sagittarius. So these cards are for your relationship, guys. We will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading. So let's start with your daily energies, Sagittarius. It's strength in reverse, hangman, and page of swords. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you have faced lot of trials, and you have sacrificed so much, maybe for your career or for your family, this connection, this love. But what you see today is you have that acceptance in your heart, and whatever the situation is, the circumstances, or however it is going to unfold today for you, you see things in a new way today. The way you perceive your situation is changing, and you are accepting and giving up control in your situation. So this acceptance may be the reason that you find that peace of mind and serenity today, guys. And maybe you feel weak, lost, and depressed because of how things are going. Maybe there are people who you cannot trust in your career or in this relationship with this person. You feel that you cannot trust them totally. You may not have that deep understanding. You want to find out more about this person. So maybe you are gathering information about them from someone. Maybe you may be spying on them, or this may be their energy. They may be spying on you. So they want to find out more about you, guys. That is also what I see. But whatever your situation is, whatever difficulties that you're facing today, Sagittarius, you have that balance in your heart because you are having that total acceptance of your situation, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what are these cards for our relationship, Sagittarius. It's Three of Fire, Four of Earth, and one more card here, Seven of Water. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, Sagittarius, in this relationship, you are on the right path. Maybe with this person, you want to find out more about them. That is what we saw with the previous cards. So you were maybe you were involved with this person because this person may be something, may match your fantasies or dreams or whatever you had. So that may be the reason that you liked them in the first place. But today you want to find out more about them. So you are on the right thing, guys, finding out about them. So you may get that clarity, whatever you need in this love. And you need to understand that with this clarity, you may be able to build this relationship. So if this person is what you think they are, if they are truthful, loyal, then you can proceed in a positive way in this love. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your daily reading, Sagittarius. I hope this reading resonates. I will see you tomorrow with another reading, guys. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment, guys. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. Bye, Sagittarius.